Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you have a HelloBaby monitor for your baby, you're gonna wanna check out this camera mount from Aobelieve. It is very flexible and you can put it anywhere. This mount is made out of stainless steel and silicone, so it's very flexible but still really strong. It holds the weight of the monitor very nicely, and it's really easy to attach the camera on there. You just twist it on to the bottom and you are good to go. I usually always will wrap it around the rails of the crib, and this just gives me the best view of my baby up close. I can keep an eye on him during the night or during his naps or while he's just playing in there. I love that you just have the flexibility to move it around depending on the best view of your child. You can move it from one side of the crib to the other. You can also tie it around shelves or whatever else you have in your room that works best for you. So if you're looking for a way to mount your baby monitor at a certain angle to make sure you have the best view of your little one, definitely check out this little camera mount from Aobelieve. It's the perfect solution for where you put your camera, and that's my point of view.